So the selection of cooking areas of the salamander on the left side, now on the right side, and also of both sides if you want to cook on both sides. And then you select the power on C for non-stop use. You can of course regulate the power of the heating. And on the third, you have the possibility to use a plate detection system. When it's on, you put the plate on the stainless steel bar. This is fast instant temperature rising, and you can adjust, of course, the height of the movable top according to the product to be cooked. When you remove the plate, the heating is off and you cannot cook anymore, and then you can switch off the product.